Today, we're creating a dramatic and fun transformation, turning your face into an older version of yourself using the built-in aged face effect. Whether you're making a future self concept, a story sequence, or just want a funny reaction clip, this effect is quick and super easy to apply. Let's begin. Start by importing your video into CapCut, then tap on your clip to select it. Next, tap Effects from the bottom toolbar. From here, go to Body Effects. Inside this menu, open the Roll tab. Look for an effect called Aged and tap to apply it. Immediately, you'll notice the subject's face transforms, the skin gains wrinkles, sharper lines, and an overall mature look, giving a realistic old age appearance. You can position the effect on the timeline to control how long it stays visible. If you want the transformation to appear only for a specific moment, simply adjust the effect duration. Preview your video and you'll see the aging effect applied beautifully. And that's it. You've successfully converted your face into an older version using CapCut Mobile. It's a simple yet powerful effect that can add humor, drama, or emotional weight to your edit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.